Peter Devereaux. You know what we used to call you? The November Man. Because after you passed through, nothing lived. Peter, you need to look at this.
It's Alice.
She's in trouble. She has information on the agency that they'll kill to keep secret. If you want her to live, you gotta get back in the game.
Excuse me, there is a call for you. Yes, hello?
Listen to me very carefully. The woman you're with is a killer. Turn around. I'm right behind you.
Out the back and one eye's on them!
It's Devereaux. I know he trained you, but if he's with her, then he's against us.
But the call is to terminate. Do you have a problem with the call?
I do what I'm told to do, sir.
Who are those men? Were they police?
They're agents, CIA. And this kid is the best assassin I've ever trained. We're gonna play a little game.
You bring out the best in me.
Do you have any idea who you're working for?
Hey, why'd you come in? We'll talk about it.
I don't know if he's too in your head, and maybe you're mad because you never had a daddy.
I'll get him.
Tell me about your target.
Male, old, used to have skills.
Used to. He's probably the best friend I've ever had.
All your friends try to kill you?
Eventually.